Hey guys, and welcome. Today I will be showing you how to repair your laptop missing these little rubber feet without purchasing them. I mean, you can purchase them online. They're probably pretty cheap, but I prefer just to use a little bit of hot glue and repair it myself. So, without further ado, you're going to need a hot glue gun, hot glue sticks, and basically I use canned air to cool it down fast, but you can just let it dry on its own. Alright, so go ahead, go in, and I like to start off a little bead here, right in the center. Try and fill it right up. And just make a nice full, and then work it around. Just like that. And add a little bit more right there. And naturally the plastic will become concave just because of the properties of it, and you will have yourself a nice little foot at little to no charge to you. Now see how the air is deforming it there, and it's not too hard to fix that. You just kind of get in there and fill it up a little more, because you know I was missing some there too. So get in there, and then don't try this at home, but I like to tilt this can upside down and get a little bit of fluid on there. Cool it right down real quick. There. Once it cools down, you have yourself a nice little pedal there. Alright. There. Perfect. Let's see, it's still got a little bit in there that's not frozen over yet, but that's okay. I'll let it sit for a few minutes. I'll come back and I'll show you the finished product. Well, there you have it, guys. Got a little glob of glue here, just replacing it as one of these little rubber pegs right here. And in case you were wondering, back over here, these screws here are just there as kind of makeshift fixes for a hinge that I had to replace. They had a couple anchors break in plastic, and needless to say, I just replaced them with regular screws and cut them down and sanded a little bit. So it works pretty good.